Okay, welcome back to Leonidas Reviews. Today we're doing a science experiment with water, vinegar, oil, and corn syrup. Okay, and we're gonna be putting a variety of items in the glasses. Then we're gonna do all the liquids and all the items in the same glass. Okay, let's start this. I'm gonna start with water. Just gonna carefully. I'm just gonna use my fingers. That's cool too. Hope that doesn't damage our salt paper. I mean, like water floats. What did you think? Right? Vinegar looks like it has the same effect. Now, oil. Will it float? Huh, that's interesting. It doesn't really want to float. But how will that affect this? Just drops like a brick. Easy stops. Okay, so let's mark our results. Now let's remove. Whoa, that's neat. It doesn't like to move. I'm gonna drop this syrup. It's denser than the syrup. Okay. Oh, that splashed. Oops. Well, they all sunk. Like it's a stone. What else would you expect? Okay, now let's fish out. This experiment may get a little messy. Tink, tink. Okay, let's wait for it just sank. Let's move on to the penny. Okay, they all sank again. Not gonna try to fish out the pennies either. Many items sink more than float. Now it's time for little wooden cube. I'm just gonna toss in there. Okay, we got one float. Two float. Three float, and yeah, that's not sinking. Look, it's making a neat little pattern. Let's see if the pattern gets continued. Probably not. Pieces of foil. Float. 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 Actually, maybe not. No, that's a float. Now let's pop in the screws. Sink. Will this last one change? Sink. It is kind of making a pattern. Now the plastic block. Float. Float. Float and float. Wait, it might sink. No, that's a float. But too bad that just broke the pattern. That was that. So now we're gonna cut to all the liquids and everything inside. Okay, so we tried to put them in, and it didn't really go. This black area is vinegar and water. This greenish area full of bubbles is oil, and this on the bottom is corn syrup. We put dyes in it. Probably oil? Yeah, that looks like oil because you can see little bubbles in it.
Yeah, we made the oil green.
A mysterious zone with vinegar and water. And then there's corn syrup. Anyways, let's just pop them in and find out what happens. So, it looks... My chart says everything either float or sank, so it won't really make a difference. If it sinks, it'll just go all the way to the bottom. If it floats, it'll just stay at the top. So yeah, that's a science experiment. It wasn't really the best, but again, we're just a normal family. Bye.